Now, it's already May 1. Now we're going to the forest, going to Kurut today with maybe 15 porters from Barangay Buluan. So we're preparing now. So after we eat our breakfast and we go at 8 o'clock to Kurut Forest to find new caves. There's our guides are waiting. There are bags there. Yeah. So we're waiting for the one. Preparing our bag. Can I bring 2 barrel lab?
Lab, buwag ka tiwodeng
Kung katukaban.
Ikan patalo nilalaba.
Meron na kayo mamahalaba pa eh.
Matod.
Ayan.
Excited man dala.
So everything is ready.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Ask Jose.
Yeah, okay.
I'm done.
Yeah. Ano, ready na? The forest. Going to Kurut. Let's go. Let's go. Caving. Now for hiking. So we have 16 porters and 4 stay-in. Ready? Sige. Bye-bye, Barangay Buluan. See you in 6 days.
7 days.
Salamat. 7 days.
8 days.
8 days. Okay.
Because it's one.
The hiking going to Kurut. Going now to the forest for 8 days. 6 to 8 days. Yeah, so we leave around 7:30 in the morning in Barangay Buluan. So 3 hours walking. So we'll see what time we arrive in the base camp. Sorry lang mga lodi.
Sorry lang kay. Para malupit.
So resting. Pahuway.
Papicture yata po. Nagdara ko
Nice. Okay, sarig na. Pwede na.
Ano, hugtong tapas. Malas na na.
Okay, okay na.
Yeah. Na.
Pwede na.
Okay. Para makakapuhay subo. May naman dapat siya pagtag ilawig og tanta. Kani tanta.
Pwede. Kadi na kami. Damo salamat. Kadi na kami. Thank you. Tapos.
Kung hindi ka sir paglatan sa log. Adat kain. Nakarami na itano eh. Bagal. Kakabason. Para mo din hilaro ng ngalan balot. Ya ano ngaran balot.
Nice view.
Go open view.
Lager. Sige, tabas. Mano to ni. Sige nga rest. Rest time. No, kila. Resting time. Time. Yeah, giant lawaan tree. Very nice. So lawaan. Yeah, anahaw.
Pambansang dahon.
Pambansang dahon. Paypay sa gubat. Anahaw. Lawaan. Lawaan tree. Big tree again. Very high. Yeah, nice. Sorry again. Giant tree. Yeah. Nice. Resting time. Big tree. Oh, there's another cave there along the road. So you see a cave. We call this place here Larab. So we call this one Larab Cave. So we're gonna explore next time. Okay, we're now in the canal. Now in the valley. So further upstream here, there's a big cave, Mama Cave. So we go first downstream, going to the river. We're gonna make our camp near the river. Yeah, nice. We're almost there. We're already here in Kurut area, and that's the owner, Tatay Tony. So there is the owner of this place. So during 1970, ito din yun, nag-logging. So during 1970, there's a Paba logging company. Yeah, cut the trees here in this area. But now, no more. We're gonna cook now. Yeah. To on time. This is our camp here. We make their kitchen here. And for sleeping somewhere there in the forest. There are tarp. So this is our kitchen here. So later we're gonna make the kitchen.
Lahat ba may bala ha? May dinalahan.
Yeah. Nice. To on time.
Ani para may mga sundalo din. Patay naman. Ulpot pala.
Parasan. Good. Ito anahaw. Yan. Anahaw. Ito ito.
Pwede kat sabaw.
Sige, kaon la. Puro tidak oh. Sige, pangaon la, pangaon.
Sige, kan.
Ito, may manok tidak.
Sige,
Sige.
ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao everybody, ciao.
Sige, pangaon la. Sige, ciao, ciao. I'm gonna eat my chicken. Lunchtime. Nice chicken. So eat first before I set up my sleeping area with hammock. Our camp now. Nice camp. Nice camp. Kawayan la.
Guys, kami audience impact lah ini. Audience impact.
Oh, malabi na kami.
May lubi na. Grabe talaga.
Okay.
Tapos may kusina.
Hindi na. Hawan utan. So, yan dinner na.
Talaga sa Kapski. Wala ni.
Welcome.
Pila.
Dinner time.
Son cobweb, tu peux récupérer les deux. Hein. Mais non, sur le mien, mais là, récupère le moi qui suis
Eating our dinner.
content. Ok, donc je vais faire. Elle me fait 10, mais j'en rajoute.
Having dinner.